Hollywood actor, super Hollywood.
The president of Agumelasi, Chief Doctor Ifena, Ezinwo Keke, Egoni Regina Nanego.
That is the level of a great attention.
That is the level of Ikeke Burubulu, one of the Nobi. Iki Nobi.
Obagadiegu, Obagadi Popo, the one who mend them. Ice, Onyoma, Ice, ABI 649, CJ, Otumba, Eto, Umi, Isagatoles, CDA, Onyoma, Batman Casey, Dr. Nedo, Ogede, Ogede, Otumbu Anine, Otumba Yonana the woman, Otumba Yani, Jesus, CZA, Ogede, 649, Ogede, 649, Ogede, FBI. Ogede, Oba, shut down. Hey, what? Wait, hey, sorry.
Please. I beg, what time I beg?
Sorry, what?
Montana, yes, the one. Montana, yes, the one.
Only Kese cannot get
Electronic.
The powerful King Solomon, the chairman of Solomento Automobile, Solomento Auto Service, we appreciate you, the great Solomento. Of Akana Tuba, Namamuro. That's all. People get to know part of the fact.
After what it is, I pass the man. I put that I have a personal problem.
I put that in here, because the rest like a bunch of houses. On 24th and 25th of September, the year, I got a bunch of them. After that, I pass it, I put that in here,
all right, let's go. Please, can you do something better? Oburune Manandege go 85 years, 90 years, and they don't even 10 years. Now, no drama fish. All kind of money you don't know, Jeffrey Madison and car pants. Now, pants are not ever present. Taking and fancy, why are you taking unaware?
next man will be my partner.
Osman Malaika.
Let me take you.
The youngest teacher of our Lord, Chikojuku, I salute you.
Wait. Why have you said 112 na carry this thing?
Thank you very much, Chris Sunday.
Excellency.
You be cheap too.
Thank you.
So people where don't get time to now.
The Commissioner of Police Anambra State, CP Chris Owolabi, alongside with the CP Esheng, Commissioner of Police Criminal Investigation Department Zone 13. And we also have the Grand Commander Anti-Court Anambra State, Supu Uche Nguam, and we also have a Supu Princess Ngilo Kamonde. Zonal Police Bureau in charge of Anambra State and Enugu State. That is the Zone 13.
Thank you, please.
Ambale.
Nice, Honorable Chieji Dokiese.
All right,
Thank you.
that is the Raven of High Chief Chibuso Madubuko ACC Ochinamata, one of Adasiane, the Vice President of Chico Investment in the building. Ichinamata, God bless you. God bless you. Habu Chagwana Agwe, Ofono Waka, Makabia, Ofono security.
I don't tire.
Habu Chagwina Nabuania Baji, they call, Dago, the Akana of 100%. He came with a problem. Agasan, and the other one. Ozenza, or Benin Namochi. I'm going to let's go. Come inside here. I'm here. Let's go. Where are you? Let's go. Where are you? I'm here. Come over here. That is the Raven of the great humanity around one of our guys. I want you for the job. I want you for the. I want you to you are highly welcome. God bless you.
Incoming!
Security, please. These people blocking the entrance should leave.
Incoming! Incoming!
Nobody should block the entrance, please.
Don't forget we have in the house Prince.
We have Chief Alexander Ezimo Kezie in the building. God bless you for coming. We love you. We have Prince Dr. Henry Okafor in the building. The senior special advisor to the governor of maritime and security.
Funny bones.
Okay.
At that level, the funny bones. Basis of Nigeria.
Okay.
May you work personally. May you do a soon Java. I cite you. At that level, I cite you.
All right, Chia Michael. I'm here.
Hey.
Come. Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to welcome the kingmaker of our time, the architect and founder of Orgando Solidarity Movement in the building, High Chief Godwin Chukwuelo Kezenwa Masimelo, Orgando Gaburubulu, Obelechuku, one of Igbo land, you are highly welcome. The great philanthropist of our time. God bless you. Let's go. Where are you?
Don't forget to have in the house
Prince
Izunwa Nemba.
Autos.
My blood. Obi Japan. Warrior one of Warrior. This is my team. I greet you.
Let's go. That is the reverend of High Chief and Lolo, Joseph Iwilo. That is the reverend of His Excellency, the most distinguished Senator Obi Noma. The incoming. That's all. The incoming.
Opening all. The conductor, sorry. All time.
Senator Dr. Obi Noma, Ivanji Kambane, Ebonyi State. Let's go. Where are you?
Let's go.
Ojidola Boye. Onilajo Momoje no Mojo. High Chief Abraham Ikechukwu Esimoti. Ikenga Akwata Junior Ikenga Mojo. Ikenga worldwide. The highway down.
No space here.
Afono, the mighty.
Let's go.
Let's go. Where are you?
Solomento Motos. Go, move it up, it's going to come up for you.
Yes, sir, that is fire.
My humble appreciation to the President of Legend Properties, Legend Group, Chief Ekene Richard.
Mommy the great. We're here. The king of all the right. Yes, that's back. This guy's holding back.
Okay, Anonymous. I see you, bro. I see you. Solomento Motos. Go, move it up, it's going to come up for you.
Yes, sir, that is fire.
My humble appreciation to the President of Legend Properties, Legend Group, Chief Ekene Richard.
Mozenge. Bandu.
God bless you for coming. We love you. Sister Jane.
Mozenge. Bandu.
God bless you for coming. We love you. Sister Jane.